Cardi B, I cannot say it enough. You did that, girl. You guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm headed to breakfast, and yeah, headed to breakfast. About to start my day. Having breakfast with my friend at a place called Baby Stacks in Las Vegas, Nevada. Yeah, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Y'all know what I mean, you guys. I'll be right back. I'm trying to drive and pay attention to the road, waiting for the light to turn green. The sun was just shining and now it's raining. Wow. This ain't Texas. Las Vegas, quit acting like we in Texas. What's up, my little riders? We have arrived at Baby Stacks, and I thought I knew what I wanted, but I saw somebody else's plate and I wanted what they have. There go Peter, y'all.
Don't tell people that.
You need a website? Mention in the comments, because she built some bomb-ass websites. Professional search engine optimization. Did I say that right?
You did.
I should know what SEO is. I did on my YouTube videos. But anyway, yeah, we're about to eat, you guys. Let me order my food, you guys.
I just walked in.
And after this, I gotta go pick my son up, and yeah. So today's gonna be a day. I'm glad I got good sleep last night, because I really don't. But yeah, y'all can see it, can't you? Can't y'all see it?
Looking beautiful as usual.
Okay, you guys,
all right,
bye.
Lola. Yeah, is this the only butter you have? Yes. Oh, okay. Thank you. Bacon looks...
You guys, I just finished eating. I ate the whole thing, y'all, the whole thing. I am so full. I could just go home and get in the bed. But I'm not.
You are.
No, I'm not. You guys, I done got home and laid on this sofa. I know I need to be making that wig. Y'all give me like about an hour and a half, and I'll go up there and make it. Okay? Because I done got the itis. Okay, my little riders, I am putting the dome cap on the canvas head, and the dome cap is too big for my head, so I'm going to have to tack it down to make it smaller. You guys will see that in a hot second. This is what I meant when I said the cap was too big, because there's an extra large and I have a small head, and that was the only cap wig cap that I had, so I had to use it. So you see me tucking it back so that it can get smaller. Tucking it back and sewing it down. I'll show you exactly where I'm tucking it back and sewing it down right now, you guys. Right there. Okay, I'm going to sew that all the way across the top center part of the head, and I'll be back to show you guys me sewing the closure on. When you put an enclosure on, you want to put it on to the way that you're going to wear it. If you want a center part, it's best to put the closure in the center of the head. But however, if you want a side part, put the closure more over to the side, and pull the closure a little bit in front of the wig cap. So your lace is not going to sit flush with the wig cap. It's going to sit, your closure is not going to sit flush with it. It's going to pull it a little bit above in front of that. And so now all I'm doing right now is pulling that hair up and getting it out of the way. Usually I do the lines in the wigs, on the wig cap, so that I can know where I'm going to place my my tracks. But I didn't feel like doing that because I really already know where they're going. Somebody wanted to know how I was recording and talking to them at the same time. So I had to show them my camera, you guys. But let me get back to this closure. I start off on the sides, on one side, and I never start at the edge. I start a little bit back and then go towards the edge, because that little knot that be on the end of the thread, I don't want that knot to be at where the closure starts at the end of the wig cap. So here we go. Okay, you guys, I'm coming near the back of the closure on that side. And usually when I come near the back of the closure, I start with the other side. But today, since this wig is going to be for me, I'm going to just keep going around. And I know that I need to pull it tight so that there won't be any puckles in the closure part. So I'm doing that, you guys. And you'll see me taking the pins out to make it tight again. Because you see where it's puckled up right there? Once it gets to the end, there will be a puckle. So I take the pin out, the T-pin out, and I spread it out so that it'll be tight and no puckle. And now I'm sewing the other side down. I just cut the wig cap off where the closure is going to be. So now you see there's no wig cap behind where the lace is. And that's what you want, because you leave that wig cap on there, it's going to be black at the scalp, and we don't want that. We want only the lace to be shown through. I'm about to start sewing the first bundle on, which is the 14-inch. I was going to put the 14-inch at the top so it looked like a bob, you know, the longer width, meeting up with the shorter ones, but I decided not to. I'm just going to sew the 14-inch on, then the 12, and then the 10, so that will give it a layered look without me having to cut the layers. So sit back, relax, while I sew the first track on. Weft, I should say. And when I sew the first weft on, track, weft, whatever, I put it a little bit above the thick band right there of the wig cap. And then I always take the thread through the weft first and then through the cap. And I secure it, see right there, I'm taking the needle through the track of the weft, then through the wig cap. And then I tighten it up several times in the same spot so that it won't lift up. See? When I'm sewing the tracks on in the back, I always make sure that I put when I'm sewing the weft on in the back, I always make sure that I put the tracks on very close together, so that I know you guys have seen wigs or weaves that are very sparse. You can see straight through them, like transparent, and I don't like that. I like for it to look nice and thick. So with the first bundle, see, now I done switched up the bundle. With the first bundle, I always double it up, because that see-through wig or see-through weave is horrible. And I go back and forth with this first track until it's all done. Okay, I'm done with the first bundle. Now I'm going to sew on the 12-inch bundle. You guys, this hair feels actually really good to say it's some giveaway hair. Like, I thought it was going to feel horrible. But I still won't know until I shampoo it. And usually some people shampoo their bundles before, but I like to shampoo my bundles afterwards, soak it in the water, condition it real good, and then let it air dry. So what you see me doing now is I'm going to put that needle through the 12-inch bundle and then start sewing it on. You guys, I can't even lie. It feels pretty good sewing this wig in my room and watching TV and chilling, getting out of my ordinary zone where I'm always in my beauty room, standing up, even though I have a big TV in there, it's like relaxing doing it in here because I'm chilling, chilling and making a wig. And you guys, when I'm making a wig for a client, it's much neater, and yeah, it's much neater, and the stitching is closer together. This is going to be for me, so I could always tack it up or do whatever if a track coming loose, but usually it doesn't come loose. But for the record, I'm just letting you guys know that when I do this, it's much neater and the stitching is closer together when I'm doing it for a client. Okay, now I'm sewing on the 10-inch bundle, and I'm almost done. I love it when I'm almost done and I look down and I see how nice the hair looks, you guys. I'm so excited. I can't wait to install this wig tomorrow. Okay, my lowers, I am at the top of the head where the um, track is getting sewn almost close to the closure. But when you get to the part where you're sewing the track on, you do not want to sew the track to the closure. You sew it as close as you can get to the closure, but not with it. The reason for that is you might want to tighten up your closure or put a new closure on. Your closure is separate from your weft, so you don't have to take the wefts down and replace the track replace the closure also. Get as close to it as you can, but do not sew it together. Just do not sew it together, because you will have problems if you need to replace the closure. Okay, my lords, I am almost done. I am almost done, you guys. Yes. And look at how pretty that hair is. It looks so soft and like a soft wave. Let me tell you, the hair is super soft. It feels super good. But still, I won't know the condition of the hair until I soak it tonight, shampoo it, condition it, and then let it air dry. And we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. I'm hoping that this wave pattern stays in because I really, really like it. So with that, I'm almost done. Finished watching the video. And we are good. And then I have extra hair left over too. I most definitely do. And you guys see how close I am to the closure, but I did not connect it with the closure. That's where you get that space where if you want to take the closure off and put a new one on, you don't have to worry about cutting off a track. You guys look, she's cute even though she's not started or anything yet. Yes, I'm gonna go shampoo her, condition her, and then let her air dry, and I will be installing her tomorrow for you guys. She's gonna be cute. Thanks so much for watching. If you made it to the end, a very special thanks. If you watched all the way to the end and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. See you in the next one.